Hello friends, welcome to techelectric. Myself Piyush, and today's topic of our video is construction and working of universal motor. So let's get started. Firstly, we will take a look at construction of universal motor. The construction of universal motor is just similar to DC motor. Following enlisted are some of the important parts which play a key role in the working of universal motor. First is the stator core. Stator core is made from laminated steel. Field poles are mounted on the stator core. Second is the stator winding, which is also known as field winding. The field winding is wound on field poles. However, the whole magnetic path comprising stator and the field circuit and also rotor or armature is laminated. Laminations is necessary to minimize the eddy currents which induce while operating on the AC supply. Third is rotor. The rotary armature is of wound type having straight or skewed slot and commutator with brushes resting on it. Fourth is commutator and fifth is brushes. The commutator play the role of commutation while the universal motor operates on AC supply. The commutation on AC is poorer than for DC because of the current induced in the armature coils. For that reason, brushes used are having high resistance. They are generally made up of carbon. Sixth is shaft. Shaft is used for transferring the mechanical power developed at the motor shaft to the coupled load. Now we will take a look at working of universal motor. A universal motor works on either DC or single phase AC supply. Firstly, we will take a look at working of universal motor when it is fed from DC supply. When the universal motor is fed with DC supply, the current flows through the field winding and it produces magnetic field in the air gap. The same current also passes through the armature conductors. According to the basic principle of motor, when a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field, it experiences a mechanical force. Therefore, mechanical force is exerted on the current carrying armature conductors and torque is produced on the rotor. Therefore, the rotor starts to rotate. Now, when universal motor is fed from single phase AC supply, it still produces unidirectional torque. As you can see in the figure, the armature winding and the field winding are connected in series. Therefore, they carry the same current. Hence, as polarity of AC voltage changes and current reverses its direction, the direction of current in armature conductors and magnetic field in air gap reverses at the same time. The direction of magnetic field and the direction of armature current reverses in such a way that the direction of the force experienced by armature conductor remains same. Therefore, unidirectional torque is produced and motor continues to run in the same direction. As I explained this, motor works on AC or DC supply. Therefore, it is referred to universal motor. Now, we will take a look at characteristics of universal motor. The figure shows typical torque speed characteristics of a universal motor both for alternating current as well as direct current. The dropping curve on the lower side represents the speed torque characteristics when the universal motor is fed from alternating current. The upper curve shows the speed torque characteristics when the universal motor is fed from direct current. The speed of a universal motor varies just like a DC series motor, that is, low at full load and high on no load. In fact, on no load, the speed is limited only by its own friction and windage loss. Next topic is advantages and disadvantages of universal motor. Some of the advantages of universal motor is that it has capability to provide good torque at low speeds. Also, It can run on AC or DC supply. Initial cost of universal motor is also low. Some of the disadvantages of universal motor is that it requires high maintenance due to the brushes and open frame design. It also has poor speed regulation and noisy operation. Now the last topic of the session is applications of universal motor. Universal motor is commonly used in vacuum cleaners, drink and food mixers, portable drills, and domestic sieving machines. I hope that you have understood the concept of universal motor taught in the session. If you have any queries or question regarding the topic taught in the session, you can ask them in the comment section. That's it for today's session. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for notification of more such videos. Thank you.